Hi, yeah, a little bit of a break, I think, in the action for tomorrow, but we're going to make up for it on Friday and Saturday with off and on showers and occasionally some locally heavy rain. We did get quite a bit of rain out there for parts of western Connecticut today. Danbury with an inch, but Woodbury in Litchfield County was the big winner. A train spotter picked up 2.2 inches of rain in just about an hour. Yeah, that's a little bit too much of a good thing. So a flash flood warning was issued at the time. Hartford, 0. Willimantic, 0. There were a couple showers in Hartford, but not enough to really measure. This is from Dan Butler in Kensington. We finished the day with a beautiful pink sunset. Neil Perrin in Haddam Neck, loving this shot. And we got another one from Victoria Fitzsimmons in Westport. We always appreciate you sharing your photos with us. Moving forward tomorrow, the big story is the heat, which will join the party with the humidity to make it feel even more like Florida as we head through the day tomorrow. Low temperatures tonight in the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. Tomorrow, I still think we might start the day off a little murky in parts of the state, but then we'll break for some sunshine. We'll see high temperatures climbing into the mid 80s to right around 90 degrees. And you have to keep in mind, we got moisture jam-packed into the air. That actually makes you feel hotter. There's a science to it because the more moisture there is in the air, the harder it is for sweat to evaporate off your body. So that makes you feel hotter than it actually is. So here's the heat index, going by that process I was just talking about. 9:30 in the morning, feeling like 76 in Meriden and also Putnam. But by the afternoon, it's feeling like the upper 80s to around 90 degrees at maybe your lunch break, and feeling like the low to mid 90s for a lot of locations as we head through the afternoons. That's why I said people are going to be running to the shoreline for a little bit of relief, because I think you'll find it there. Then things start to get interesting for Friday and Saturday. We're not going to get hit by a tropical storm with storm surge, that sort of a thing, but there is a decent chance that this little disturbance that we're tracking off the East Coast does undergo some development, and there's even a chance that it ends up getting a name. If that happens, it would be the earliest sixth storm on record, Faye. Also, if that happens, it would not change the forecast. There is a chance for rain. It could be heavy at times, especially Friday night into early Saturday morning. But overall, we're not expecting any high impacts from this event. So here, let me take you through time. I think Friday, we start the day off dry. Heading into Friday, especially midday into the afternoon, there's a rising chance for scattered showers or thunderstorms. The steadiest rain might end up being Friday night into early Saturday morning. And then the rest of the day Saturday, I do think we're able to get a little bit of sunshine midday, but there's still a chance for a few lingering scattered showers and storms. I wanted to show you what that looked like a little bit closer to home, so without looking at that low coming up the coast. So Friday morning, we're dry. Heading through the afternoon, this is 2:30, a rising chance for showers. Heading into Friday evening, that rain could come down heavier at times. That could last into Saturday morning before we end up seeing just a few leftover showers and storms heading into Saturday. Some gusty winds are possible along with this system. Right now, the National Weather Service is thinking about 1 or 2 inches of rain seems most likely at this point, but obviously that's all going to depend on where the storm wants to go, how far out to sea it wants to go. So we'll keep you posted on this every step of the way. Sunday definitely looks like the pick of the weekend at this point, though. Highs in the mid to upper 80s. I should also mention, especially Saturday morning, there is a low risk for a strong or severe thunderstorm. There's a lot of spin when these systems come up the coast, so it's just something that we'll have to keep watching. Shoreline 7-day, low 80s for a high on Saturday, mid 80s, partly cloudy skies on Sunday.
Rachel, thanks. Now there